friends, surprise, it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And friends, wait till y'all see what I have today. I got a little special delivery today in preparation of something I'm doing tomorrow night. I got a box from Petal Pickers. I actually received flowers in the mail today from Daniel Shavy. Do y'all know who Daniel is? Daniel owns the Petal Picker Flower Company. It's out of South Carolina. They're in Greenville. And Daniel and I are doing a live together tomorrow night right here on Instagram. 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And what are we talking about? Friends, did y'all know that Daniel was one of my original students in flower farming school? Then, of course, he went on to Dave's course. And I just want to share his success stories and get his take. It also helps me so much to commiserate with other entrepreneurs like he is about the ups and downs, and we'll be talking about that. So please be sure and join me at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday night. That's right, today's Tuesday. Let me show you the bouquet he sent me, okay? So I just literally took this out of the box about 10 minutes ago, and it's already poofing up, and the flowers are, and actually Daniel just answered a text. He's excited to chat with me tomorrow. He doesn't know I'm on here talking about and showing his flowers right now. So this bouquet that he ships flowers nationwide, y'all. And that all developed during the pandemic. And that's one of the things we'll talk about tomorrow night, is about when you get a rock solid foundation in whatever your business is, flower farming in our instance, it gives you the fuel to take off in other areas, to flip and turn and pivot. And I mean, pivot is a word we all learned to hate during the pandemic, because that's what we were all doing all the time. Anyway, Daniel, because he had so many flowers, started shipping. He ships nationwide. Look at this. He has this little ribbon on the inside. Somebody tag him so he'll know that we're in here. And it's got multiple different types. Sarah Bernhardt's. It's got whites. It's got, I don't know the names of some of these guys. There's Buplurum and Veronica, and of course Sweet William. The Sweet William, I'm figuring out, is really what he uses to give color right when people open the box, because of course the peonies aren't open yet, y'all. And Madam Butterfly, Snapdragons. So join us tomorrow night, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on Instagram. And y'all, we're going to talk about his entrepreneurial journey and how he feels about flower farming school and that basic education, and how it kind of led him along the way. And I just can't wait for us to talk. And friends, if you ever need to send flowers beyond where you are and you're a flower farmer, Petal Pickers, I definitely recommend them beyond a shadow of a doubt. And I have something else to show you. So believe it or not, I can't tell you how much water those flowers, I was just checking the vase. That vase has probably been sucked down an inch since I put them in. And I just got that box like 2 hours ago. Guess what else? I'm going to a birthday party, y'all. I feel like a little girl going to, like a girlfriend's little birthday party. I was invited to a birthday dinner for a really good friend. Today at 4 o'clock, we're having dinner at a girlfriend's house and just celebrating Christine. And of course, I'm taking flowers. So I made a bouquet to take for Christine. How pretty is this? Can y'all see that? So I used one of our craft wrappers, but I had all these samples of from the wrapper company, and I decided to dress this up. How beautiful is this? It's got sweet pea vine and larkspur and stock, and it's just full of cool flowers plus some sunflowers. And Christine's daughter, who's no longer with us, we lost her last year, the year before, her favorite color was purple. So I really beefed up the purple, y'all. And then, of course, I also made just a little baby bouquet to take to the person to put on our table. How short and cute is that? Y'all, cool flowers rock your world, right? So I just wanted to share that with you guys about don't miss tomorrow night. Daniel, Daniel has just jumped in. I think it's been 7 or 8 years since he started. And what he's done is amazing. And he's an inspiration and he shares. He's like Dave and I. It's like we just spill all the beans. We need more professional growers. And Daniel is one of them. And so I can't wait to talk to him tomorrow night. And just remember, the bundle is back. We brought the bundle special offer back out this week. It was all last week. And we had such a great response and a few like, oh my gosh, I missed it. So we've brought it back out today and tomorrow. It's mine and Dave's class together. Both schools for one low price. You save $240. And you can actually comment bundle here. And thank you for tagging Daniel. I see that. And so you can actually say, comment the word bundle and we'll DM you a sneak peek inside to the courses, as well as the link to the special offer. And of course, it's on our website. And friends, if you're on the journey, if you're beginning the journey of becoming a flower farmer, this is your roadmap so that you can actually do the work and not have to figure out every step. And it's just your insurance policy for success. And I just can't wait to talk to Daniel for you to hear his experience with Flower Farming School. And y'all, this is just what we built it for, is to hear these kinds of stories. And we have thousands of students, y'all. And so both courses together, both schools are $1,150. And while that's a lot of money, that is a BB in the Astrodome that it will save you and make you. And so that's what we'll talk about tomorrow night. So see you tomorrow night, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on Instagram on Wednesday night. And the date on my calendar is so totally wrong, y'all. That's not correct. I think it's the 18th. It's Wednesday, not Tuesday. All right, friends. I'm going to enjoy my bouquet from Daniel, and by tomorrow night, the peonies should be opening, and it's going to be awesomely beautiful. And so really happy to share that with you guys. So these flowers were shipped overnight from South Carolina to me in Virginia from Daniel, and it's just so totally beautiful. This is just one example when you have solid information and skills where you can do anything. And that's one of the things that I feel the most proud about our Flower Farming School instructors is we've been doing it for decades and we're still in it at all different levels. And that just tells a depth of knowledge, success, and we love sharing that with you. And that's what you get when you sign up for Flower Farming School. Lifetime, unlimited access. Anywhere you have internet, you can get in. It's keyword searchable. And we'll talk all about that, and you'll hear all about it. And I'm heading off to a birthday party now, y'all. All right. Till we meet again, friends. Ciao.